our ingredients. It's a lot of ingredients, and we have clear glue right there. We have some Daiso clay. I think that's how you pronounce it. We have white and yellow. We have some food coloring. We have shaving cream, right? Yeah, shaving cream. And we have some containers for the slime. We have this slime deactivator and activator. And we've never tried this before, so we're going to see how it goes today. And we have this last thing. We have this big bag of foam beads, and we have some lids for the containers, and we have some glitter. So, and we have some, and we have a, let me get it. We have a big bowl of water. I can't really show you guys, but we do have water. See? Yeah, we have water in here. Let's just put that right here. We have some napkins in case something spills. We have slime. 2 containers for the end. If they don't fit in these little containers, we have one big one and one small one.
Let's see who makes a bigger one, so we can get the big container. And we will get, and who makes the smallest slime gets the small one.
Yeah, so let's start making some slime.
Okay, so
let's put all this stuff to the side right now.
Okay.
And we're gonna start making slime right now.
Yay!
So you can have this container, and I'll have this container for now. So let's start making the slime.
Put this on the bottom.
Uh-oh. It fell.
Okay.
So let's open this clear glue
Put
up.
this in the bottom just in case it spills.
Let's see.
Oh, it has a little measuring. Cool.
Okay.
You go first.
Okay.
Since you're the biggest.
Let me pour this in. Oh, that was a lot. Did not expect that.
So this has the measuring, so I'm going to do it whatever measure.
Look at all this glue I have. It's a lot of glue.
That's good.
That was a lot.
No, I like a lot of slime. Yay.
Oh no, it's all drippy everywhere. That right here. Okay. And what are you gonna put in your slime?
My slime, I'm going to put purple glitter.
Okay, so let's open this big bag up. Looks like so far, and there's a
So
guys,
pretty,
do you guys think I should add pink foam beads, white foam beads, or rainbow ones?
Yeah.
Comment down below.
Can you pass me the
shaving cream? Shaving cream? Okay. I might put a little bit of shaving cream, just a tiny bit.
Yeah.
So we're gonna wait for that. Well, we wait for that, and then I get this silver.
Whoa, it's not actually. If I need more than I had there. Oh my gosh, look at this! It's fluffy!
Wow, this is kind of tough to open.
Do you want me to open it?
No, it's okay. For now, I'm just gonna have, guys, I don't know, should I add foam beads? I don't know what should I do. Guys, this one. Okay, I'm gonna add these rainbow ones in and these, and I hope it's gonna add.
do blue because they'll match.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do some foam beads. Actually, before I do the foam beads, I'm gonna add in some glitter. Let's add it in. Hopefully, I don't put too much.
Like just tap it.
That's enough.
Because mine, I add like a little
There
bit.
we go. Look at that, so pretty.
Mine is drizzling down. It's so beautiful.
Okay, now I'm gonna put that right there. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of shaving cream. I'm gonna shake that up first. Yours is gonna overflow.
Yeah, so I should have had the big bowl.
I'm only gonna add like
I'm just
tiny
gonna
bit.
Now
Now let's mix that up.
This is too much. Mine is overflowing. I should have got the big one.
Yeah.
Well, good thing I have this match.
Guys, I probably should have not added the shaving cream. It's looking kind of chunky. Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's so
Guys,
fluffy.
does not look good.
Guys, it looks like whipped cream, but don't eat it.
Yeah, do not eat it.
It's not whipped cream. It's actually shaving cream that you put on it.
I'm gonna keep on mixing this. Guys, it smells like shaving cream. And there's some chunks in there. Hopefully they'll go away. I think I'm gonna add a little bit, no. I don't know, I'm gonna add a little bit of
When my
pink.
spoon keeps on going deeper and deeper, it's like overflowing.
I'm gonna add a little bit of pink.
Can you open this? Please.
Oh, yeah, sure.
The back looks like this. It's a game. Oh my gosh, hurry up.
Here, maybe you should pour it into this.
No.
Yeah, pour it into that, here, let's get some napkins so you can pour it in. Guys, this is becoming a big mess.
Okay.
Oh. Well, she doesn't need a napkin anymore. Well, that's that.
I like new container.
Guys, I'm gonna keep on mixing
I'm gonna
this.
put it in there later. Oh no, it's got a big mess. A good thing this is a craft table.
This looks so cool.
I
Guys, I need a little bit of
look
water.
how much it is that. I just need to take the spoon out and go with my
Wait.
hands.
What is this? This is slime activator. This is borax. And this is, let's see. This one is slime activator. Again.
Slime activator.
This one is the slime. Oh, this isn't really a deactivator. This is to make your slime more softer.
I'm gonna use my slime more softer, please.
Ollie, why did you put your hand in there?
Oh my god, my hand's sticky.
Guys, can you guys see it? Okay. Put that down.
Oh! The glitter spills!
Did it spill? Okay. And we got more slime activator. Guys, that scared me so bad.
I thought it was gonna spill everywhere.
I thought it was.
I'm not gonna have a video anymore.